What if I told you that Asta's biggest battle isn't behind him? It's just getting started. Black Clover is finally returning with Season 5. And trust us, the Clover Kingdom will never be the same again. From new devil transformations to the rise of the Spade Kingdom's deadliest threats, this season is about to flip everything upside down. Get ready because magic, mystery and mayhem are about to collide. Brace yourselves. Black Clover fans, the most explosive arc yet is coming. And Season 5 might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. After leaving us on a massive cliffhanger with Asta's Devil Union transformation and the future of the Clover and Spade Kingdoms hanging in the balance, the enemy is finally gearing up for its return. Following the overwhelming success of Black Clover, Sword of the Wizard King, Studio Parrot is reportedly back in action, preparing for the much anticipated Season 5. And this time, it's not just about fighting devils, it's about rewriting fate itself. Asta's power are on the verge of evolution like never before. With this bond, with vibe growing stronger, fans can expect to see a fully unleashed Devil Unique mode with anti-magic abilities that could shake the very foundation of the magical world. But isn't staying behind either, as the rightful prince of the Spade Kingdom is stepping into his legacy with 2 grimoires and a Vaganance that's royal and ruthless. The rivalry between Astas and Yuno is only going to burn hotter as both push towards the ultimate goals. But the real storm is just the beginning with the arrival of Lucius, the true mastermind behind the Dark Triad. Lucius isn't just about the villain. He's God-complex, fuel threat who believes he is the savior of humanity, and he has a terrifying connection to none other than Wizard King Julius himself. That's right, Season 5 could finally reveal Julius' shocking secret, a twist that will completely reshape the hierarchy and power balance of the Clover and the Kingdom. The anime is expected to cover the conclusion of the Spade Kingdom Radiac arc and possibly lay the groundwork for the final world saga. This means Devil Kings, dimension-breaking battles, ancient magic and the sacrifices that will break our hearts. The stakes are higher than ever and nothing will be the same again. Visually, fans are hoping the anime will match the crisp and cinematic quality of the Black Clover movie. And rumors suggest Studio Parrot is going all in to make his the most stunning season yet. While an official release date hasn't been announced, industry insiders are hinting at a late 2025 premiere, giving the production team enough time to perfect the return. One thing's clear, Black Clover Season 5 won't just be a continuation. It will be a war, a transformation, a full-blown magical revolution. Get ready to go beyond your limits because this time the entire world hangs in the balance. So are you ready to witness Asta's unleashed powers beyond the imagination and see alliances forged in the heat of war? Black Clover Season 5 is shaping up to the most explosive chapter yet. Don't blink because every spell, every sword swing and every twist could change the fate of the entire kingdom. Stay tuned with the Screen Explained TV where your favorite anime worlds come alive.